Pardon, sir?
आपने इंटरव्यू किया मेरे साथ पहले?
नहीं sir.
Alright, please introduce yourself. अपने बारे में बताइए.
Right, sir. So my name is Sachin, and I was born and brought up in Rohtak district of Haryana. I did my schooling from the DAV public school in Rohtak itself, and after that I did my graduation from the Ramjas College, University of Delhi in BSc program, and thereafter I started preparing for the competitive exams, and here I am.
ठीक है. Hobbies and interests?
Sir, I like to keep myself fit, so that is a hobby. I play basketball in sports, and I love to track and go on the road trips.
Trekking?
Right, sir.
But where all have you tracked before?
Sir, I haven't gone to a lot of places, but recently I went to a track named Kheer Ganga track. It is
What
in,
is the height?
sir, it is around 3,000 feet, 3,000 meters above the sea level.
Which area?
Sir, it is in Parvati Valley in Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh.
Uh, 3,000 meters.
Right, sir.
What could be the height in feet?
Sir, into 3 approximately 9,000 feet.
So what are the temperature there?
Sir, it varies according to the month in which.
When did you go?
Right, what, sir?
When did you go?
Sir, I went there in last September end.
So what was the temperature in September?
So September it was cold at night. It was around 5 degrees Celsius at night, and in day it was quite pleasant, around 10 to 12 degrees Celsius. I'm not aware of the exact temperature, sir.
You are a physics graduate
Right, sir.
from Ramjas College.
Not
Tell me, huh?
not physics exactly,
Physics,
sir.
chemistry and maths.
Yes, sir. It was BSc
So
program.
85% marks holder, very nice. I want to know, when you are climbing a mountain,
Right, sir.
temperature is going down, right?
Generally we can say that, but sometimes there is inversion of temperature also, sir.
Inversion of temperature, very nice. So what is the factor of height versus temperature, lowering of temperature? What is the factor?
Sir, the altitude is a reason, sir.
So height is altitude only, na?
Right, sir. As the height increases, as we go up the mountain, the temperature tend to decrease, sir. This is the
What is the
basic.
factor?
Sir,
Relation between the height and temperature.
sir, it is inversely proportional. Generally, we can say. That.
Inversely proportional तो ठीक है, factor पूछ रहा हूँ.
Sir, I am unaware about that, sir.
So can you tell me, if it was 5 degree at 9,000 feet,
Right, sir.
what could be the factor? Right?
Sorry, sir. I am.
So what is the global temperature of the earth normally?
So global temperature is around 27 degrees Celsius.
So now tell me, if it was 5 and 9,000 feet, what is the factor? You don't have to ask anyone.
Right.
Now tell me.
Sir.
It was 27 degree at the surface,
Right, sir.
and you climb to Kullu,
Right, sir.
9,000,
Yes,
and it
sir.
become 5 degree.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference?
So altitude, the height.
Height तो 9,000 फीट है ना?
हाँ जी, sir.
Difference, temperature कितना difference हुआ?
So the difference is 22 degrees
तो
Celsius.
22 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड अगर 9,000 में है तो 1,000 फीट में कितना होगा? फैक्टर आ गया ना?
Right, sir.
कितना होगा? आप बताइए.
So divided by 9, if we divide
आंसर
22 by
करिए
9.
क्वेश्चन. मुझे
Right, sir.
क्वेश्चन मत दीजिए.
Sir, it will be around 2.4
Okay. To be
degrees.
precise, it is 1.98 degrees centigrade per 1,000 feet. It's an
Right.
international ICAO regulations.
Sir, it is, as per my knowledge, it is 6.4 degrees Celsius with every kilometer. The temperature decreases.
So I'm talking about 1,000.
Right,
You
sir.
come to the conclusion. I'm giving you a smaller figure.
Right,
Because
sir.
you told me you climbed to 9,000 feet in Kullu.
Right,
So
sir.
I'm bringing you to your level.
Right, sir.
If you had told me in kilometer, we would have calculated in kilometer.
Right, sir.
So,
Right, sir.
okay. And why does the दाल देर से क्यों पकती है पहाड़ पे? या जल्दी पक जाती है?
सर देर से पकती है.
देर से पकती है, क्यों पकती है?
सर वहाँ पे बॉइलिंग पॉइंट वाटर का कम हो जाता है क्योंकि प्रेशर कम हो जाता है हाइट पे जाते हैं जैसे हम. तो सर फॉर एग्जांपल सी लेवल पे 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस पे इज़ द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर, बट if we go on some height, then the boiling point decreases to say like it.
Boyle's law क्या है?
What, sir?
Boyle's law.
Sir, I'm unaware about that, sir. Sir, I cannot recall it right now, sir. It has been a long time since I read the graduation subject, so I'm not in touch with it very much.
तो ये जो आप अभी आंसर कर रहे हो सब उसी से तो है.
Right, sir.
Pressure, volume, temperature. Charles law क्या है?
Sir, I can guess, but I'm not sure. Sir, it is maybe it is PV is equal to NRT.
तो ये तो you don't have to recall this, friend. It is
Right, sir.
it is a day-to-day life.
Right, sir.
You can't survive without this in altitude, pressures, and you will have to go to.
Sir, I was not very much sure about it. That's why I didn't
maybe you are
answer.
happy to be in CISF.
Right.
You like to be happy, man. Anyway, why do you want to join CISF?
Pardon, sir?
Why do you want to join CISF?
Right, sir. Sir, to be specific about the CISF, as I talked to my seniors also, so they recommended me to fill my CISF as my first preference because they said that the family life is comparatively easy in CISF. So I want to take care of
Where would
my.
you like to get first posting and given a chance?
Sir, Delhi Metro maybe.
And why?
So because since 2012 I have been living in Delhi and
You are interested in joining an All India service or a state service?
so this is an all India service.
But your approach is state.
So I'm willing to work anywhere the
But
government.
your answer was not. Your answer was not.
Right, sir.
You have yet for CDS. Did you go for interview?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I
right.
did.
Conference out or screen out?
Sir, conference out.
Okay. What happened in interview? Where did you feel that you are not good?
Sir, it was quite fine from my side. There was maybe a little communication skills that I was lacking at that time. So I worked upon it. I worked upon it.
What is group obstacle race in SSB?
What,
Group
sir?
obstacle race.
Sir, it is a race that the group join ग्रुप से सब करते हैं साथ में जो एक ग्रुप के लोग होते हैं and there are 5-6 obstacles. So that is performed in a group itself.
Okay.
So you have to help and take your team with you.
What do you carry?
So there's nothing that you carry. You have to take your team
You
together.
don't carry anything?
No, sir. Sir, as far as I can recall,
If I recall you, there is a snake, long snake,
right, sir.
which you carry minimum 3 people, and then go.
Right,
For
sir.
good, I think. Not much, it's just 2018.
Yes, sir.
You have appeared in 2018.
Right, sir.
It's called snake race also. The other name of group obstacle race is snake race. Because you have to carry the snake which is about 10 feet long.
Okay,
Gani
yes,
बैग
sir.
पैक करके होता है ना लंबा सा,
Right,
तो
sir.
लेके चलना पड़ता है.
Yes,
अगर वो
sir.
टच हो गया जमीन में तो खत्म हो गई बात.
Yes, sir.
भूल गया सर. तो इतनी जल्दी सीरियस नहीं है. Okay. What is the best achievement in life?
My best achievement, sir, till day that I am a good son of my parents and I did my clear my CAPF exam this year and I am hoping to get into it.
What is
And
the most embarrassing moment of your life?
sir, I cannot think of any embarrassing moment as right now.
What is your view on the who controls the police structure in Delhi?
So the central government controls the police.
Okay.
As Delhi is a union territory, so although generally the
Delhi is a union territory?
yes sir, it is a UT,
Okay.
right?
But it has some special status in union territory?
Sir-
What is different between union territory of Delhi and Pondicherry?
So both of the union territories have a legislature that is controlled by the chief minister. But because the Delhi is the national capital also, so the three subjects items of the state list, that is police, land and public order, that is controlled by the center.
Who is controlling revenue at Delhi?
So I guess the state executive controlling that. So.
Tell me top government functions. So you are in CISF. You will have to coordinate with a lot of local agencies. Commissioner of police. This kind of status is in which all cities in India?
The commissioner of police are the major mega cities, you can say, sir.
Mega cities.
Right,
Okay.
sir.
And second question is that knowing the governance of the country, tell me what are the three pillars of democracy?
So the three pillars of democracies are legislature, executive and judiciary.
Coming to executive, who is the supreme head of executive?
Sir, the President of India.
No, sir. Okay. Starting from top, continue with the structure, how the Indian government works till village level. Only the bullets,
So starting from the top, right.
tires, with different tires.
Sir, the tier 1, that is the central level, that is headed by the Prime Minister of India. And
I hope you got your answer.
right, sir.
Yeah, continue.
And at the tier 2, the comes the states that are headed by.
In the tier 1, headed by the Prime Minister,
Right.
what is under him?
The
How
cabinet,
the order goes down?
the cabinet minister, the
Cabinet,
council of
next.
ministers comes down. After that, sir, there is CAG, right, sir, and
The government functioning, executive functioning कैसे होती है?
okay, sir, right.
कैबिनेट हो गया, उसके नीचे कैबिनेट मिनिस्टर के नीचे कौन होता है?
Sir, there are minister of states
Okay, next.
under that,
तो क्या मिनिस्टर एक ही कैटेगरी में डाल दो
Right.
सबको ना? फटाफट
and
बोलो।
sir, thereafter the permanent executive is
Who
delegated.
What are they called? Who
Sir,
are these people?
Such cabinet secretary is the
Okay, next.
topmost
Very
position.
nice, next.
After that, sir, there are joint secretaries and principal secretaries.
अरे बाबा सेक्रेटरी कहाँ गया? जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी तो बाद में आएगा, सेक्रेटरी भी तो होगा।
Right, sir.
ओके, सेक्रेटरी हो गया, चलो चलो अभी स्टेट पे आ जाते हैं।
State.
Okay, बाकी तो बहुत सारे अफसर होंगे।
Right,
मैं
sir.
तो सिर्फ टायर से मतलब है ना।
Right, sir.
ब्यूरोक्रेसी बोलना था आपको।
Right, sir.
आंसर सही नहीं आ रहा है। समझ रहे हो?
Right,
You
sir.
should say executive head is prime minister, then group of ministers, then there is the bureaucrats headed by secretaries of departments,
Right, sir.
then the state government. ठीक है ना?
Right.
चलो आगे बोलो।
And at the tier 2, the chief minister of the
Chief minister,
state.
very nice. Next.
And after that, the minister of state, and after that, the bureaucracy is headed by
Yes.
this
Next.
chief. Right, sir. At the tier 3, sir, that is the grassroots level, panchayat also.
अरे बाबा district.
District.
Okay, leave the question. Okay.
Right, sir.
Please understand the system of governance. You are going to be our CAPF officer.
Right,
You
sir.
should be prepared for this. Okay, next question is, if you don't become CAPF officer this year,
Right, sir.
what will you do next time?
Sir, since this is my last chance in CAPF, so if I didn't get selected this time, so I will prepare for some other exams, be it the CSE or the State Civil Services exam, sir.
सचिन,
Right, sir.
सपोज दैट अभी आप एक सीआईएफ में एसी हो
जी सर,
और आप अपने ऑफिस से बाहर निकलते हो,
जी सर.
किसी कांस्टेबल ने आपके ऊपर गन पॉइंट कर दी है,
Gun.
आपका एक्शन क्या होगा?
Sir, I will talk to him and I will ask him what is the reason, and I will so there must be some reason that he is doing that. So I will ask him that reason and try to consolidate him that this is something that we can talk about amicably, and there is no need of gun in that.
आपका इतना वक्त होगा ये सब करने का?
Sir, you said he's pointing the gun. He is not firing it at the first instance. So, sir, yes, I think I will be able to talk to him. There will be few seconds in between, sir.
Okay. And what are the major social issues in Haryana?
Sir, the biggest what I can think of is the child sex ratio in Haryana is very less. It is 834 according to 2011 census. And other than that, sir, although the literacy rate is quite good in Haryana, but there is a lot of difference between the literacy rate of male and female, sir. Sir, and
Major issues.
what?
These are the major issues.
Right, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me the concept of khap?
Right, sir. Sir, earlier what used to happen was that village communities were used to happen in the close knit. There were close knit societies, and the Khap Panchayat is a kind of panchayat that is used for one gotra or for one clan or group of clans. It is a kind of panchayat. Other than that, it is not elected and it is illegitimate. And so they got their legitimacy from that, sir, that people used to go to them to solve their daily disputes, what used to happen. So, so this is the basic concept, sir.
ओके, आपको क्या लगता है कि खाप रहना चाहिए कि खत्म कर देनी चाहिए?
सर मेरे हिसाब से खाप नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज वी हैव अ वेल फंक्शनिंग जुडिशरी इवन एट द लोअर लेवल्स दैट कैन टेक केयर ऑफ व्हाट खाप यूज्ड टू टेक केयर इन अर्लियर टाइम्स, सर.
मतलब आपको लगता है कि जो सोसाइटी का जो एक स्ट्रक्चर बना हुआ है उसको कोलैप्स कर देना चाहिए, तोड़ देना चाहिए?
सर मेरे हिसाब से खाप को हटाने से सोसाइटी का स्ट्रक्चर कोलैप्स नहीं होता है, सर, बिकॉज द अवेयरनेस नाउ हैज़ इंक्रीज्ड अ लॉट and everybody is knowing that we have a set of rules that we are governed by, और वो सर उस सोसाइटी के स्ट्रक्चर में सेट नहीं होता है खाप पंचायत. सो दिस इज द रीजन.
वो स्ट्रक्चर में सेट नहीं होता है तो फिर हरियाणा में इतना फेमस क्यों है?
सर इट यूज्ड टू बी वेरी फेमस बट थिंग्स आर चेंजिंग राइट नाउ, सर, एंड थिंग्स आर गेटिंग बेटर, सर.
ओके, अगर हम हरियाणा की इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम की बात करें,
राइट, सर.
तो इकोनॉमिक प्रॉब्लम क्या है?
Sir, what I can think of is, sir, the unemployment rate of Haryana is the biggest in the country. Recently, there was a report and it mentioned that the unemployment rate in Haryana was 33.8%, sir. So that is the biggest economic problem, sir.
And Bihar is 46.7.
Right, sir. And other than that, sir, I can think of that is majorly dependent on agriculture. So there needs to be diversification also.
Tell me one thing.
Right, sir.
Purchasing power parity of the Haryana is very good.
For,
Purchasing power parity.
Yes, sir.
Haryana is very good.
right, sir.
It's almost top state in purchasing power parity.
Right, sir.
But the society of Haryana is still in medieval age. They are not मतलब अपने आप को वो अभी मॉडर्न तरीके से मॉडर्नाइज नहीं कर पाए.
Right, sir.
ऐसा क्यों?
So with all due respect, sir, I believe this used to happen. Like if you say 50 years ago, when the Haryana was created, it was because the people wanted to live with the traditional lifestyle. But sir, things are improving with.
आप अभी अगर फैक्ट पे बात करें,
जी सर.
चाइल्ड सेक्स रेशियो पुअर है,
Right, sir.
सेक्स रेशियो पुअर है,
Right, sir.
ठीक है, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, उसके बाद जो ऑर्गन किलिंग है वो भी हरियाणा में सबसे ज़्यादा है.
Right, sir.
फिर आप कैसे कह रहे हैं कि सर ये 50 साल पहले की बात है?
So things are improving at a good pace because, sir, as far as the child sex ratio is concerned, sir, it is in 2018 it has crossed the 900 level, sir. So that's why I am saying that things are improving at a faster pace, sir.
Okay, Sachin, your formal interview is over. We will call you back for the future after some time.
Right, sir.